Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to filter JavaScript array elements with multiple criteria or conditions. To filter JavaScript array elements with multiple criteria or conditions, you need to call the array object's filter method. The multiple conditions are written using the logical AND or OR operator. Let's see some code examples on how to filter arrays with multiple conditions. First, suppose you have an array of numbers as shown on the screen here. Now we want to filter this array with two criteria. The numbers must be higher than 3 and lower than 17. To do this, let's create a new variable called filtered numbers and then call the filter method from the numbers array. Inside the method, pass a callback function which takes the current element and returns the current element when the value is greater than 3 and less than 17. Like this. Now, let's try to print the filtered numbers to see the result. Run the script using Node.js. And here you can see that the filtered numbers contain the numbers that are bigger than 3 and less than 17. The filter method returns a new array filled with elements that pass the task defined in the callback function. When you have many conditions that you must satisfy with an array, you need to add the condition using the logical AND operator as shown on the screen here. Sometimes, you may also have multiple conditions where only one of the conditions has to be satisfied. In that case, you need to use the logical operator OR instead of AND. Let's see another example using a string of arrays. Just below the console log, I will create a new array that contains a list of names. This array has 4 names: Aragorn, Gandalf, Frodo, and Sam. They are from The Lord of the Rings, one of my favorite fictions. And here we want to filter the array so that the values contain the letter M or R. Using the filter method, here's the logic to filter this names variable. To check whether the string contains an M or an R, you can use the includes method. Like this. Now let's print out the filtered names values using console.log. Run the script again. And you can see now only names that include either M or R are added to the filtered names array. To summarize, you can filter a JavaScript array with multiple conditions using either the AND or OR logical operator. The filter method returns a new array, so the original array will be left intact. Now let's see another example. Here on the screen, we have an array of objects called friends. Inside the array, each object has 3 properties: name, age, and country. Suppose you need to filter the data to only include those from America with age below 25. To do so, you can create a new variable called filtered friends equals friend.filter, and then inside the filter function, pass a callback function that accepts a single friend object. Then inside that function, you can return the object when it fulfills the criteria we want, like this. Oops, sorry, I mean less than, not equal. Alright, so let's print this variable and let's run the script now. Okay. As you can see, the filtered friends array only contains a single object, which is Linda, because the other 2 doesn't fulfill the requirements we set. Now you've learned how to filter a JavaScript array with multiple criteria or conditions. Nice work! Just a quick announcement. I want to let you know that I have a free email course called Mindset of the Successful Software Developer. This course is a free 7-day email course where each email unveils a slice of wisdom that I have gained after working in the tech industry for over 9 years. It offers a fresh perspective on what it means to be a happy and successful software developer in a changing world. If you are serious about being a software developer, I believe this resource will be a great help for you. You can enroll in the course using the link in the description.